So guys, today I'm going to show you my Hitch Winch with quick connect in the front and the back, so you can easily pull yourself out if you ever get stuck. So I got a 13,000-pound winch. I bought this one off Amazon. I think it was like $400. That it comes with 2 wireless remotes. Pretty cool. Winch hitch mount. Bought this off Amazon too. I think it was like $40 or something. I'll put everything in the link. Then I got a front hitch on my 2015 F-150. Bought that off Amazon as well. And then we got the quick connect that is running up to the battery. And I have a quick connect in the front. I'll switch up to the winch right now. And I'll get the motor out here. Yep, she's working. And then walk around to the back here. I have it tucked up in there. It's my other quick connect. For that, just ran it along the frame of the truck, zip tied it in, and then just gotta be careful once you get to the back. There it gets a little bit tricky, but I mean, I've had this on there for, I don't know, 6 months now, and no problem at all. It still works. If you do buy this winch though, because I've had several winches over the past few years, seal the box just so water doesn't get in there. I don't know how many I've had where water's gotten into these boxes and either froze or just completely junked the electrical system, and the winch is no good. But other than that, this is a pretty simple project. Hopefully this video helps somebody that's trying to look into doing it, because I could not find any videos. I kind of just winged it myself. I think I did everything for like $600 maybe. But I'll be sure to put everything in the comments or in the section with everything from Amazon. Hopefully this video helps.